So first and foremost, I am gonna show you where I got all my parts from. I have a link in the description box below. Just click on it and it will take you directly to the seller. Alright. Fastener remover, bumper fastener rivet clips, clear bumper tape, electric car jack, bumper. This bumper is only $300 and you have the option to choose any color code you want. Remember to send the seller a message, the year, model of your car, and the color code. Failing to do this would have your bumper delivered in the default black color. The bumper comes folded flat and its shape can only be retained by the application of heat. You can choose to use a heat gun or just leave it open in the direct sunlight. Well, in my case, the whole process took about 2 days, and to prevent theft, I had to use the window. So one side of the bumper exposed to direct sunlight, and the next day I had to flip it. So with this process, I was able to save about $3,500. And now let's get down to business. If the splash guard is not broken like mine, then you would have to remove all the rivets at the bottom of the car before you can have direct access to disconnect the fog lights on both the driver's side and the passenger side. So I chose to start from the driver's side. On the driver's side, disconnect the fog light. On the two ends of the connector, which extends towards you, hold them firmly and press them together very firmly. And as you press them together, work your way down and pull the connector out. Yep, press these two ends very firmly as you pull the connector towards you. Remove the bolt that holds the bumper and make sure to repeat the same process on the other side, which is the passenger side. The next step is to remove the bolts as indicated. These are two bolts, one on the driver's side and the other on the passenger side. Also, you need to remove all the fastener clips as indicated by the red arrows. This is a simple process of removing the rivet in order to detach the bumper from the car. With a fastener tool, just force your way gently around the rivet and remove it. This is how you put the pieces back together. Insert the first half of the rivet into the hole, press it down and ensure that you hear a click. Insert the second half into the first half, press it until you hear a click. To prevent the bumper from falling, do not remove the bolts completely. As you can see, all the rivets are removed and the bolts are partially unscrewed. Now we want to get to the bottom of the car and remove all the rivets. To be safe, please use a jack stand. With the same process, remove the bumper carefully so not to get injured. At this point, if you have not removed the rivet clips, now is the time to do so. Remove the bumper carefully so not to get injured. At this stage, we are going to remove every piece and fix it on the new bumper. I chose to start from the grill. Next on the line is the passenger side fog light holder. Now remove the driver's side fog light holder. All you have to do is to fix the fog lights onto the new bumper and screw them in place securely. So my fog lights were out and this is a good time to replace them. I do have more dollar saving videos, but I'm looking up to 1,000 subscribers and 10,000 likes to upload those videos. So please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Ensure that this part is well secured. Push it down carefully as you work your way along the length of this component. You don't want to lose it when driving, alright? Remove the clips from the styrofoam. This goes right onto the new bumper, and you would have to fix it the same way you removed it. Make sure it is well secured. You don't want to lose this also when driving, right? Oh yeah, we're making progress. Yep, it's getting dark, and big thanks to my wife behind the camera. Remove this piece also and ensure that it is well secured on the new bumper. You don't want to lose this part also, right? Yep, ensure that the screwed grill is flushing with the bumper. It is now time to move the assembled bumper onto the car. Make it look beautiful again. Fix the new bumper in place. Partially screw the bolt to hold the bumper from falling. Carefully fix the ends and work your way around the edges of the bumper and make sure that it is well secured onto the car. If you want to save thousands of dollars on your car repairs, then please subscribe to my channel, like my video as a motivation for me to upload more videos. Thank you. Now you can screw both bolts on the driver's side and the passenger side fully to hold the bumper. Fix your rivets in place. I have to take this video the next day to let you know how beautiful it has become. Do not forget to fix the rivets that holds the bumper to the bottom of the car. Here you go. In less than $300, this is what you get. It looks very clean, perfect, awesome, sparkling. Oh yeah. The lines you see on the bumper are pieces of clear bumper tapes which I used on it to prevent the bumper from getting scratched.